I'm Peg from Sony, and I'm going to show you how to use your NFC remote with your Sony BRAVIA TV. NFC, or Near Field Communication, is a convenient and simple way to achieve screen mirroring with your compatible devices using just one touch. To do this, you'll need an NFC-compatible smartphone or wireless device, a TV with the NFC function built in, and a one-touch remote control. For this demonstration, we're using a Sony BRAVIA TV. Set the NFC setting on the one-touch mirroring compatible device to on. Touch the NFC detection areas of the wireless device and the remote for about 2 seconds. You can remove the device from the remote when the confirmation message appears on the bottom of the TV screen. When the device is connected with the TV, the screen displayed on the device will also display on the TV.